Click on the link below to get price. The Electric Dehumidifier is a compact, portable solution for tackling humidity in small spaces. Designed with a 2.5L water tank, it effectively absorbs moisture from the air, making it ideal for bathrooms, basements, and small bedrooms. One of its standout features is its lightweight design, which allows for easy relocation from one room to another, depending on where you need it most. Performance-wise, this dehumidifier is impressive. It operates quietly, which is a significant advantage for use in bedrooms or quiet areas. The noise level remains at a comfortable hum, ensuring it won't disrupt your daily activities or sleep. With a moisture removal capacity that can handle up to 500 milliliters per day, it's well suited for areas prone to dampness, such as laundry rooms or spaces that lack ventilation. The user-friendly interface is another highlight. The dehumidifier features simple controls, making it accessible for everyone, regardless of their tech savviness. The 2.5L water tank is easy to remove and reinstall, which simplifies the process of emptying the collected water. Additionally, the automatic shutoff feature ensures that the unit turns off when the tank is full, preventing any overflow and protecting your space. Aesthetically, the design is sleek and unobtrusive, fitting seamlessly into various home decors. It's available in a neutral color palette that won't draw attention, allowing it to blend into the background while it works effectively. However, it's important to note that this unit is designed for smaller areas. If you are looking to dehumidify a larger space, you may need to consider a more powerful model. Overall, this electric dehumidifier is an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain a comfortable humidity level in smaller rooms. Its combination of efficiency, portability, and ease of use makes it a worthwhile investment for improving indoor air quality.